Hello, I'm Dr. Synapse. Welcome back to Human Body Lab 101. In this video, we'll look at the heart auscultation areas. Heart sounds are best heard at specific locations on the chest. Each area corresponds to a different heart valve. The aortic area is located at the second intercostal space to the right of the sternum. Pulmonic area is located at the second intercostal space to the left of the sternum. The tricuspid area is located along the lower left sternal border. The mitral area, also called the apex, is located at the fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line. These listening areas do not sit directly over the valves. Instead, they represent where sound travels best through the chest wall. Using the correct auscultation areas helps identify normal heart sounds and abnormal findings. I'm Dr. Synapse.